So if you're tired of heavy detergent jugs and messy spills, these Earth Breeze detergent sheets are the easy, space-saving option. The company actually sent me this product for the purposes of this video and for my honest review. So this is how they look. It's basically just a dry sheet of detergent. You tear off what you need and toss it right into the washer. No measuring cup, no leaks, and it's perfect for small apartments, dorms, laundromats, and traveling. So this dissolves quickly in water, but to make it the most effective, put the sheet in the drum first, then add your clothing. And don't overstuff the washer, especially on quick or cold cycles. They have a very pleasant scent, so I recommend these if you like your clothes smelling fresh. The only downside is that they could stick together if they're exposed to moisture, so make sure to keep them away from moisture in a sealed bag. Hopefully this video helped you make a more informed decision about these Earth Breeze laundry detergent sheets. I would definitely recommend these. Thanks for watching. All the links and details are in the description below, and if you want more videos like this, please consider subscribing.